Ciuria cia ni andu igana moragitwo kurumirira mirurungano ya Gen Z no ithiete na mbere kwiyumiria thutha wa thirikari kuhitukira minista ugiteri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen guteterithia ni 42 noti 61. Akiaria thiini wa mucemanio wa thayo kaunti-ini ya Turkana, Murkomen nieranire ati uthuthuria ni ukwambikwo wa ikuo, akiuga ni uhoro wina ruo na bairi aheanite ikigena na utiganu munene na rivoti ya kamiti ya kibururi ya kuhurana rihoto cia umundu iria igite namba ya aria makwite 61.
You know, these numbers also mix up with people who have died on other situations, either accidents or somebody who has died out of sickness. Some may be added to the number or some may be subtracted in the numbers that the police has given.
Augite thirikari gutiri undu irahitha iguru ria ikuo ici kuona o mundu ari na kihoto gia gutura, no ni mekugeria gucokaniria rivoti ya ikuo icio niguo kugie na muheanire wa uhoro wina urungiriru.
For avoidance of doubt, there's no, if the numbers eventually is tallied and it becomes 61 beyond the numbers that have been received by the police, we will say 61. If it's more than 61, we will say that, because it is not something that we are trying to hide. There is no gain in hiding the people who have lost their lives.
Gikuo kia Bridget Joki Wainaina kairetu ka miaka 12 karia gakorirwo ni rithathi kari kwao mucii Nduberi muthe wa Sabasaba gigithie na mbere kurarakira aingi. Murkomen akiuga ndeto ino mati kumiunira ritho no ni megutigirira kihoto kia family nikionekana.
Some of those people who lost their lives, the circumstances are still being investigated, including the very young girl who painfully lost her life in that situation. And we want to say that nobody is intending to hide numbers. There is no value in hiding numbers because it's about human beings. And the National Police Service has as a fast and signal immediately an incident happens is reported directly to the National Police Service and it's recorded.
Miarino ya Murkomen yukitarire thirikari ikoretwe kimrikwo na njira nene kumana na mirugamo yayo hari gutagikira mirurungano kuria we mutongoria wa bururi gatagati ka atongoria angi makoretwo makiruta miario miruru na angi makendekithia rurungani makoro makiuragwo.
Pai ni mgeni wetu wa leo.
Hadini ha Kameme TV. Jitagwo Maina Kihumo.
Afisa wa asasi za usalama ngazi